updated tutorial for fixing Aria-Hidden on element because its descendant retained focus. If your website is having this problem, I'm creating this tutorial because I've uploaded a few different sample codes that you may consider using. First, let's try and understand what this is. Basically, if you're seeing Google Chrome saying blocked Aria-Hidden on an element because its descendant retained focus, what that means is Google Chrome analyzes assistive technologies when they come to your web page, because some people use assistive technologies and accessibility is very important for Google Chrome. So if your coding on your website, web page elements, is showing this problem, basically what it's saying is there's an Aria-Hidden which is set to true. As we can see in this example, there's something there and it's Aria-Hidden and it's true. That means it's set to hidden. For assistive technologies, they will rely on that element, as in when they interact with the web page, whether they use their tab navigation or different navigation methods using assistive technologies. Although that's hidden, it's still retaining focus. That means accessibility devices will get confused when they're interacting with this web page. So that's the basic definition that I can give you regarding this problem. Now, there are 100 different ways I can show you how to fix this, because each web page will be different. Your website will be different. So if you're seeing this for your website or your client's website, all you need to do is identify what the element is, because in Web Developer Toolbar and the console we can see it. That's the div with an ID. And here Aria-Hidden is set to true. So as I've said, there is many different ways we can fix this. The sample codes here, the first one actually removes Aria-Hidden set to true. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh the page because I've added that code, which is a JavaScript, and it's looking for an ID with CM. That's the ID, you can see it here, it's a div with an ID CM. So yours will be different, obviously. All you need to do is perhaps just change that. Get element by ID, change it to match your web page problem div. Now, if I press on this banner and accept all, you can see dialog ID with CM was just hidden. Removing Aria-Hidden and forcing focus to the page body. So that's a universal quick fix that I've decided to share with you if Google Chrome is showing you this for your website or your client. Remember, that's a JavaScript code. That means you need to be familiar with editing your website theme to fix this problem. And should you fix it? Yes, you should 100% fix that. Because for Google Chrome and Google rankings, accessibility is very important. That's why PageSpeed Insights will show you this problem as well. Now, there is other sample codes here. Let's imagine you're using WordPress. I'm using Presidium Cookie Consent plugin. I've just updated the plugin and I start having this problem again. So, after doing a couple of hours of troubleshooting, this is the best code that I can share with you because you can easily tweak it for your website having this problem, okay? So, there's other sample codes and there's another tutorial here. I'm going to leave this in place because that is to do with tab index and SVG that can show this problem here as well, Aria-Hidden issue, okay? And do keep in mind that I'm uploading new tutorials. Rank a brand new website within just 1 week. You definitely want to explore that if you own a website or your clients has a website that you're managing, okay? And as always, if you want to learn more, troubleshooting techniques, how to use Google products, Search Console, and so on, definitely check out Rank Your YouTube channel.